Hey.
What are you doing?
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep.
Woo! It is freezing! Oh my god, it's so cold. It's so windy today. Windy like 20 miles per hour wind. It's okay. Let's start this off. I haven't really talked. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is still a delight. Today is Saturday and I'm excited to be filming and to be alive. I don't know. So I'm headed to the shop right now. I'm headed to my partner Demon's shop to start a huge project that we have been thinking about since we sold the van, since previously to selling the van. If you don't know this, we traveled all around the world for the past 2 years, and partially in a van, partially we lived in other countries. We just rocked it. We just went for it. And now we are diving into a few new projects, which I have not talked about yet, but one of those is a bus. We are gonna renovate completely. I'm really excited. I know that it's like a super trendy thing that's going on, that people renovate these buses. We will not be living long-term in the bus. We are doing it for travel, sort of in the same, I feel like I'm covering the speaker. Where is the speaker? I wish I knew. Anyways, so we won't be living in it. We'll just be using it for travel, similar to how we used our bus for traveling. I have my Naiad mug here. Just a really cool company all around, the people that run the company, which is very important to me to know and talk to people who run a company or who are part of a company, work for a company, and know that they are good, wholesome people doing good for the world, if that makes sense. So let's chat a little bit about Naiad. Naiad works towards reminding people to adventure respectfully, to make use of Mother Nature, but to always bear in mind to leave no trace. 8 billion water bottles end up in US landfills each year. To help end the use of plastic bottles and paper cups, Naiad developed high-quality drinkware that's reusable and durable. By choosing Naiad, you'll be able to drink what you want, the way you want, wherever you want, and still save money while protecting the planet. To tell you just a little bit more, we were not expecting to do this so soon. It's just that the bus came up. We were feeling very stagnant with COVID going on and not being able to travel. We are able to travel, but during this time in our lives, we decided not to travel. What I was gonna say is we just decided to go for it. Damon is servicing the truck right now. He got up extra early this morning and made him breakfast, packed him a lunch, went into his shop, and he has it parked inside, thank God. And just doing the servicing part of it. So checking the filters, checking the engine, changing the oil, doing all those things to make sure that everything's running perfectly before we start demoing inside, because you don't want to do it backwards and then figure out you have this huge engine issue or something like that. So we're starting with the engine. First step, engine servicing, making sure all of that is a-okay, making sure the bus is ready to drive and ready to go and nothing crazy is wrong with it that you would have to spend thousands and thousands of dollars on. Note that we got this bus dirt cheap, like cheaper than I can even imagine, and that's kind of why we went for it. Because I said to him, I said to Damon, you know, unless we can get this thing dirt cheap, like it's not the right time to start this. Got it dirt cheap, and I was like, that's a sign, let's do it. And I thought if we have this ready by this summer to travel in, that would be phenomenal. That would be so amazing. So anyways, let me stop blabbering on. I'm gonna head there and I will show you guys what we get into. I see a bus butt. Okay, that's annoying. Hey.
Hey!
What are you doing?
I'm trying to see what size these are.
What, the seats?
Yeah.
What do you mean? Oh, like
What
the
size
bolts.
socket I needed, so I found it. I'm having trouble with the fuel filter though.
Uh-oh, why?
It's not sealing right.
This is so exciting. Damon got everything done except one fuel filter that he's having a little bit of trouble with, but he should be able to get that done. I want to like put this somewhere. How's everything going, Day?
Let's get my light in here. Let me get my like other light.
So we're gonna start, I think, taking out the seats, which is the beginning of the gut, because everything else looks good, Damon says. Hopefully, we'll see. This is the bus. It's 20 foot long, 8 foot wide. Well, 20 foot from this seat on. So we have 20 feet by 8 feet, right? 160 square feet that we have to work with. What will we do with this 160 square feet? Unbolted, just gotta take them apart. We're gonna scrap these. We got them out. We just gotta rip them up. I look like I literally have a beard. I need to wash my face. So we got the seats undone for the most part. Damon's gonna finish up most of it, right?
Get it all out.
You're gonna get it all out today? All right, he's gonna get it all out today, and then that's a big step done, I think,
The
right?
seats and then, I mean, the floor, ripping the rubber up and taking all that stuff. I'll look at that once it's now like cleared out.
Well, we'll make a plan for that. Don't start. I wouldn't start
Yeah, I
that
wouldn't
yet.
start. I'm just
Okay.
gonna look at it.
Yeah, so that's it, right? We're getting it done.